आपका painters were very much.
Hello everyone. Hi, welcome to Unified Studies. So here today we are going to do propositional logic and predicate logic question, from where you are getting minimum to maximum 4 marks. Why I am telling minimum to maximum 4 question, means 4 to 10 marks you are getting from here. These are the different types of question I am taking from UGC NET previous years, because this propositional logic and predicate logic is the part where it is the common syllabus for unit 1, that is discrete math, and unit 10 AI, because knowledge representation is going on through predicate logic and first order logic. Another name of predicate logic is first order logic. That's why in your syllabus this propositional logic and predicate logic is a high priority subject, from where 100% every time you are getting question, every time. So from this class confirm you are going to get the marks in this topic. So please watch till the end, and to download this PDF, free PDF, and to attempt free test series, install Unified Study app just now. This PDF will be uploaded in free course. You will go to the free course section, click on view content. Under that free PDF, YouTube classes, here I am uploading all the free classes, YouTube classes. And you can attempt the free mock test. Here UGC NET free mock test you can get here, where subject wise, topic wise, each and every topic you are getting here. And full length PYQs also it is there. There are full length PYQs, and even also there are full length mock test also. Paper 1, paper 2 combined mock test, paper 1 mock test, everything is available here. These all are free of cost. So definitely install now and start working free of cost for your preparation, to upscale your preparation in next level. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. Come to the first question. Here this is your first question. Do it. Now and start. Good morning everyone. Do this. Priya, Mohana, Prakash, Kaliraj, Mintu, Astha, Priyanka, Ahila, Megha, Sri Vidya, Sharma. Okay, I am getting answer from Prakash. Okay. So here in this subject, one and only one formula is there that you need to remember. P implies Q, that is not P or Q. This formula will help you to solve any question. 90% question will be solved through this formula only. Write it down now. Not P. Here, whenever you are learning propositional logic, something you need to remember. You can relate with the digital logic. In digital logic, you learn, right, the Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, you saw that OR gate. This OR gate we are writing like this. AND gate, you are writing here like this. Negation means A complement. If I am writing, we will write here like A complement. These are the symbol change. Other than that, here it is P implies Q. That means it is implication. P implies Q means not P or Q. In Boolean algebra format, you can write it P bar plus Q. Propositional logic, if you are converting in Boolean algebra, it's most easy to solve. It will be very easy. Other than that, nothing is there. So this question easily you can get it from this one only. It is not P or Q. A will be with 2. This option is not correct. This option is not correct. Now what is the meaning of double implication? P double implication Q means P implies Q and Q implies P. Q implies P. That is the meaning of double implication. So means it is not P or Q and not Q or P. This is the meaning of double implication. So from here you will be able to relate कि C is matched with this one. How? You will tell me, ma'am, you wrote here not P or Q and not Q or P. Come to the Boolean algebra concept. According to the Boolean algebra laws, here you need to apply all the laws. Here, if I am converting it in Boolean algebra format, you will be able to understand very easily. It is P bar plus Q dot Q bar plus P, right? This one I can write like P bar dot Q bar plus P dot Q. Can I write it or not? That is only we have written. This is same thing, P dot Q plus P bar dot Q bar. This is here. That is we are able to write, and these laws of Boolean algebra is very important. Tomorrow we will do the Boolean algebra simplification and the laws also. From here questions are coming, distributive law, absorption law, very important. So when you will be able to relate propositional logic and Boolean algebra together, obviously you will get more than 10 marks from this area. So definitely this is this one. So C is with 1, only 1 is there. This is the correct answer. Even also D, here you can see the D. D is P double implication Q, before that the negation is there. So when before that the negation is there, actually when you are doing double implication, so negation of not P and not Q will be same. So that's why this is same. Other than that, option B, now option B easily you will be able to relate with 3 if you are writing option B in Boolean algebra format. I am telling you always to write in Boolean algebra format. Here whenever I am writing this one in Boolean algebra format, what is coming? See that it is P plus P bar dot Q, then whole bar, right? P plus P bar dot Q whole bar. There is a formula, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is telling you AB bar, AB whole bar, I can write A bar plus B bar. That is De Morgan's law. So using De Morgan's law, you can do it P bar plus P bar Q. It is actually plus. So De Morgan's law is telling you another thing also. When there is plus then whole bar, we can write like this. A plus B whole bar, I can write A bar dot B bar. Very important formula. It will be applicable for Boolean algebra also and propositional logic also. So that's why I can write it. This is P bar dot Q whole bar. I am getting from here. So now same way I will be able to do again. It is Boolean algebra format. I can write it P bar and this is P double bar plus Q bar. Now it is coming P bar, then it is P double bar means P, it is Q bar. That is happening here. You will be able to relate. This is actually happening here. P bar, this is P plus Q bar. Then it actually P bar plus P bar will be cancelled. So it will be not P bar plus Q. You will be able to do it. So Boolean algebra and propositional logic, whenever you are doing together, then it will be more easy for you. So today do the propositional logic, then tomorrow we will do Boolean algebra. Okay. Now see, Again another question. Do this one. Do this one. Here also same way I will suggest you convert in Boolean algebra, then it will be super easy for you. Please today adjust with my voice. I am getting too much cough, throat infection. That's why talking is little bit difficult for me. But as I promised, that's why I came to the class. Yes. So here option A is the correct answer. Same way you can do. See that it is asking you P and Q are the two statements. Which of them are correct? So now option A. Here if I am doing it, it is coming P dot Q. This is coming actually P dot Q whole bar. P dot Q whole bar means just now I told you that is P bar plus Q bar. This is actually P bar plus Q bar using De Morgan's law. So definitely this is my answer. This is correct. Here option B also same way you can do. This is P plus Q whole bar. P plus Q whole bar means using De Morgan's law I can write it P bar dot Q bar. This is only. So this is also De Morgan's law. This is also De Morgan's law. Done. Now see the option C is telling what? P dot P bar. P dot P bar is actually 0. P plus P bar is 1. P dot P bar is 0. 0 means false. 1 means true. So that's why this is wrong. This is not true. This is false. That's why option C is wrong. By eliminating option C only, you can do the answer. Without solving D and E also you can do the answer. This is also you need to save the time in exam hall, right? So whenever you are able to get that C is false, so by eliminate option C, you can do the answer. Clear? Now see, here it is another proposition given to you. You have to do the DNF, disjunctive normal form. So conjunctive means and, disjunctive means or, nothing else. Disjunctive means or, that means this one. And conjunctive means and, that means this one. That is the difference. So now here the proposition given. From the proposition you need to match with the disjunctive normal form, means just simplify and change it in or and tell me what will be the answer. Everyone, those who are watching and those who are new here, like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section. Yes, answers are coming. Option 2 is the correct answer. Same way, see that. Here this one, how I can write? I can write it P dot, because it is and, not P or Q. It is and. Now here I can write it P dot, this is P bar plus Q. Now P dot P bar plus Q means I can write it P dot P bar plus P dot Q. That means it is same like this. P dot P bar, that is P and P bar, plus means or, and P dot Q means and. Disjunctive means in between there will be plus, in between there will be or, and conjunctive means in between there will be and. That is the difference. As it is asking you disjunctive means I can convert like this and I am getting this answer. So A is coming with 2. Here only one option is there, which is A is coming with 2. By doing one question only you can solve. This is the method of saving time. Unnecessary, don't waste the time for BCD. Whenever you are getting the answer, just check the option, and by checking option you can eliminate all the option and you can do it. It's not required to solve each and every option. Just check one and get answer and do it. It's so simple, so easy, right? Now tell me, what is tautology? Very, very important here. You need to understand what is tautology. So many times they are asking question about tautology. Tautology is simple. Whatever expression is given to you, you need to solve the expression. After solving expression, if you are getting result 1, then that is called tautology. Tautology means all true. If I am getting result 1, that means all true. That is called tautology. So just solve the expression and check that where I am getting 1. Those are called tautology. Tell me the answer. Quickly do it and tell me the answer. Minato. Yes. Vidya, all true. Correct. What is the answer? Tell me. Quickly. Answer. I'm not getting answer from anyone. You are getting confused maybe. See that how to solve. Here you need to think logically. Think it logically, that will be easy. Here the meaning is telling P plus R together is true, then P is true. P plus R together is true, then P is true. It may not be, because when you are taking P and R 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, this one is 0, other than that this one is 1, this one is also 1, this one is also 1. So if these all combination can be 1 for P plus R. I can't say whenever P plus R is true, then P is always true, because P can be false also. Here I can see P can be false also. By logically, if you are thinking, it will be easy for you. So that's why by logically you can eliminate it. This is not coming correct. Whenever you have eliminated option 1, then directly you can eliminate the option 1. This is one way. Another way is that you can solve this one like this. Not P or R. You have to think it total. It is the total expression. This total you have to think as P, and this one you have to think as Q. So it is actually not P or Q, means it is not, and this is P. That means this is P plus R whole bar. P plus R whole bar, that is small r. So P plus R whole bar, then plus P. Now P plus R whole bar means I can write it P bar dot R bar plus P. So P bar plus R bar plus P, anyhow it will be not 1. Anyhow you will not get it 1. So as it is not coming 1, so definitely you can eliminate. These are the two ways. So option A anyhow eliminated. Now you need to check Here you are getting BCD, here you are getting CDE. These are the technique you need to apply in exam hall to save your time. Here you can see C and D is common. Here you can see C and D is common. So means out of B and E, any of them if you are able to eliminate, then your answer is coming. The technique you need to understand how I have to solve the question. Option 4 may be hiding behind me. Option 4 is C, D, E. Option 4 is given C, D, E. It is hiding behind me. So you can see that this is option 4. Okay. So C, D, E is the option means you can see that here. Now I will check either B or E. So if I am checking B or E, whatever is E for me, then I will be able to answer. So let's see. Let's try to check that B. What is coming for B? Let's see. Here only I will solve B, then you will understand. If I am solving B, then it is what? P or P. Same way you need to think. This is not P or P and R. That means it is P bar plus P dot R. So P bar plus P dot R, anyhow it will be not 1. Anyhow you will not get it 1. So option B you are able to eliminate. Eliminate the option B, definitely it is your answer. By elimination, without doing CDE, you are getting answer. This is the main point whenever you are going to attempt any exam, how to save time. All the options, those who will try to solve, their time will go. No need to do all the option. One by one you need to check what is easy for me. I will go and I will eliminate. Next question try to do and tell me what will be the answer. Now you are able to understand how quickly you need to solve and what is the way of solving quickly. Right? Yes? Getting it? You are able to understand? I hope so. Good. Then tell me. What is the answer for this one? Which of the following are tautology here? Sorry. I'm not getting your reply. Please quickly reply. Answer. Okay. Here your answer is A and B is the tautology. Same way you can think. Logically also you can think. Whenever tautology question is there, if you are thinking logically, it will be easy. So P implies P and Q. That implies P and P implies Q. So I am telling that if P is true, then P and Q is true. Then can I say that P implies Q? That P implies Q is true. So logically think it. Think like that way. If P true, then P and Q is true. Then can I say that P implies Q? By logically thinking you can say that yes, if P is true then P and Q is true means P implies Q. because it is not P or Q. P and Q is true means P and Q both are 1. So both are 1 means obviously P bar plus Q will be also 1. Also 1. Logically think. P and Q both true means what is the table of PQ? Table of PQ is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 1 1 1 1. So P and Q is 1 means always PQ is 1. So as P and Q 1 means P bar plus Q will be obviously 1. That's why it is tautology. The logically thinking will give you quick answer. Same way you can think, if P true then Q true, then Q is true. So then Q is true. Then can I say P plus Q is true? Yes. That's why here A and B will be true. C and D you can either logically you can do, or just now how I told you, change it in Boolean algebra format, solve the expression, then get it is coming true or not. Both way I am telling you, whatever is easy for you, you can do it. Okay. Now this type of question is very popular nowadays. They are giving this type of universe of disclosure. This is predicate logic. Predicate logic means two symbols as there. This is called there exist and this is called for all. This two symbol only you need to understand. There exist means some of the element are true. Any one is true or some of them are true. For all means all are true. That is only the difference. And this type of question nowadays very popular. Repeated they are asking question like this. So tell me what is the answer for this. Yeah. Here I am getting answer from Gulshan, but Gulshan you are wrong. Option 3 is wrong. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now you need to think, see that. There exists x for all y, x plus y equals to y. It is that universe of disclosure for all real number. For all real number you need to think. When I am thinking about all real number, I have to think x plus y equals to y. Is it true for any x? Because it is there exist. If I am able to satisfy for any one x, that will be true. So if I put x equals to 0, then this will be 0 plus y equals to y. So I am able to prove that it is correct. That's why this is correct. Because it is there exist. For any example, if I am trying able to prove it one, true means it is true. That's why it is true. Now B. For all x, for all y, x greater or equals to 0 means x is the positive number, y is a negative number, then x minus y will be always greater than 0. Yes. Because why? Because you see x is the positive number minus y is the negative number. So ultimately I am getting here x plus y. So it will be obviously a positive number. That will be obviously greater than 0. That's why this is also correct. Option C. There exists x, there exists y. X less or equals to 0 means x is the negative number, y is also negative number, then x minus y greater than 0. It is asking you there exist means for any x, for some x, some y, if you are able to prove that, that is fine. Right? So how I am able to prove that key it will be? If I am taking y equals to minus 6 and x equals to minus 3, then if I am doing x minus y, what is happening? Minus 3 minus minus 6. That means it is minus 3 plus 6. That means it is plus 3. I am getting a positive number which is greater than 0. Because it was there exist. There exist means for any particular example also if I am able to do, then it's fine. So when y and x, y is more negative than x, then it is true. So no problem. I can prove that. Next one, for all x, for all y, x not equals to 0, y not equals to 0, then xy obviously not equals to 0. Because if x is any other number other than 0, then multiplication of xy product will be definitely non-zero. This is also correct. So that's why A, B, C, D all are correct. This is the way how you need to think the question. It is very important how to think, how to understand the question. I hope it is clear to you. Right? Same type of question you can see this one. It is asking universe of disclosure is set of integer. For set of integer, out of this, which one is true? Till now, those who are watching, if you don't want to like, you can dislike. Trust me, my throat condition is very bad. For talking, I am feeling problem, but still, as I promise, I came. Today morning I took class, evening also I have class for paid course, and again I came here for you. Free of cost, free class, I promise I will take, I came here. So after that also, if you want to dislike, if you don't want to share, if you don't want to comment, then do it, then no problem. If you are demotivating me, I will be demotivated, I can off. Right? Little bit motivation also we need. We don't need anything, we need little bit motivation. When you are motivating us, then we are getting more motivation. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer, definitely. For all n, for all integer, whenever n square, that will be definitely positive. Because if I am taking a negative number, square will be positive number. Negative 2 square will be positive 4. So any negative number, if you are doing square, it will be positive. So that's why it is correct. There exists n square 2. There is no n. Any number you will not get where square will be 2. Anyhow you will not get it. Eliminate option B. Then and there eliminate option B. And already you get it, option A is correct. Without checking C and D, you can do the answer. Save your time. Without checking C and D also you can do the answer, but still for all n square greater than n, definitely greater or equals to 1 square equals to 1. 2 square is equals to 4. Minus 2 square is also equals to 4. So obviously it is n square greater or equals to 1. There exists n where n square less than 0. Anyhow not possible. Because whenever you are doing square, it will be obviously greater or equals to. Anyhow, it cannot be less than. So that's why option D is wrong. So option A and C is the correct answer. Very simple, very easy. I am giving you another question. This is another way they are asking. Px, this one, for this integer, you need to do the answer. Yes. So A, B and D. This is the correct answer. P0 means put 0 here. X equals to x square. So if I put x equals to 0, then 0 square equals to 0. This is correct. 1 square equals to 1. That is correct. But 2 square equals to not 2. Because 2 square equals to 4. That's why it is not coming correct. X equals to x square I have to prove. 2 square equals to 4. That's why it is not matching. Option 2, C is not matching. Eliminate option C. And already you got A and B is correct. So definitely this is correct. A, B, E and D, out of this you need to check. D is correct because there exists x, px. For some x it is correct. Means for 0 and 1 I am getting it is correct. But for all x it is not correct because just now we got for 2 it is not correct. 3 also it will be not correct. 4 also it will be not correct. So for all it is not true, but for some it is true. That's why D is true, but E is not true. This one is not, this one is correct. Right? Now, tell me, this one is your home task. You can try same type of question. I am not asking you again. And this is another type of question. Do this one. This is another type of question where you need to solve this one. It is given some condition and then you have to solve P double implication Q. What is the value for P double implication Q? Okay. So Lakshmi Rana is giving answer 1 and 4 is the correct answer. How to solve? Here you need to see x given greater or equals to 1, less or equals to 8. So x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the values for x. But here the proposition P is given. N is the even integer. N out of N, these are all even integer. And Q is given. N greater or equals to 3, less or equals to 7 and not equals to 6. So means it is 3, 4, 5 and 7. 6 is not coming here. So it is coming 3, 4, 5, 7. Now it is given P that N is a even integer. So out of that, what are the even integer you need to see? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even integer. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even integer. Now you need to solve P implies Q. P double implication Q. Hi Avanti. Good morning. So P this one, Q this one. I need to solve P double implication. Means what? P implication Q and Q implication P. That means not P or Q and not Q or P. So just put all these values. After putting the values, or means union, and means intersection. So union means all you have to take, intersection means only common part you have to take. So as I am doing OR, I am getting here all, and here I am doing also OR, I am getting here all. After that AND means intersection between them is 1 and 4. That is the common part. So that's why I am getting 1 and 4. So my answer will be 1 and 4. This is the final answer. So here it is actually 1, 2, 6 and 8. 1, 2, 6 and 8. Then or 2, 4, 6 and 8. Clear? This is the way you need to solve this type of question. So your answer is 1 and 4. Now see some easy, very simple question they are asking, like statement. So predicate logic is the most efficient knowledge representation where you are able to represent the sentence in the form of predicate logic, propositional logic, right? So here it is given, it is hot day, Q is given, the temperature is 48 degrees centigrade. Then write the simple sentence meaning of not P and not Q. Very simple. Definitely not P means neither hot day nor the temperature is 48 degree. Very simple. Another question. Translate the for all there exist x less than y in English. Consider the domain as real number for both the variable. You need to represent this into English. Yes. Good. This is also very simple. For all real number x, there exists real number y such that x is less than y. Right? Very simple, because it is for all, it is there exist, x is less than y. Very good. Now tell me this one. This is also easy. Let x, y is the statement. X loves y. X, y meaning given. Where the domain both and x and y is consist of the people in the world. Now you need to express joy is loved by everyone. How you need to express? Yes. Here most of you are doing mistake. This is not this one. Joy is loved by everyone. I have to do x loves y. Means everyone loves joy. This is the way I need to represent it. Everyone loves joy. So everyone means that is x. Loves joy. So x comma joy. This x is for all. For all x. All, that is everyone, loves joy. Most of you are doing mistake with this. The meaning is given. X loves y. Means everyone loves joy. That's why this is your correct answer. These are called trap of the examiner. And in this trap only 99% students are doing mistake. They are getting 0 out of 2. Most of you are doing this and that is wrong. Check very carefully. By looking, question is easy, but option will be given such a way you will be confused and you will do mistake. So be carefully, read the question, then do the answer. Here it is. Some students like hockey. The negation of this. What will be the negation of some students like hockey? Yes. Every student dislike hockey. Some student means there exists x like hockey. Now I am taking negation. Always remember, negation there exists is changing to for all. and negation for all is changing to there exist. So this there exist will change to for all, and this negation will be added with the hockey. That is the rule. So that's why this is for all student dislike hockey. Dislike hockey. There exist is changing to for all and negation is added with the hockey domain. That's why it will be for all x, not h. This is the domain, not hockey. That's why this is your answer. Got it? Got it? Yes. Okay. Here's this one. This one I told. Joy loved by everyone means everyone loves joy. Everyone loves joy for all x. X loves joy because it is given x, y. X loves y means x loves joy. Who is x? That is for all x means everyone. Okay, Harshda. Now this question repeated 2 times. 2 times same question they repeat. One time they gave India and Nepal. Another time they gave India and Pakistan. So very important, very popular question. Do the answer. Home task, Nabia. You can check the home task from the PDF. You can download the PDF from the app. Go to app, you can check the PDF. There you will be able to see the question. And before ending, I will show the home task also. I will show. Yes. So here most of you are telling option A. That is wrong. Here I am telling you a trick. There is a country that is border of both India and Nepal. Always remember one thing. Whenever you are using there exist, then always you will use and. And whenever you are using for all, then most of the time we are using implication. So whenever you will see for all, try to find out implication is there or not. Whenever you are using there exist, try to find out and is there or not. It is the trick. This trick is very important for this type of question. So it is given there exist, country C implies. This is wrong. Here there exists C border, country C. Here the domain particularly not related. Here you are telling there exists C country C means there is a country which is border of Nepal and border of Pakistan. That means it is completely related with this sentence. There is a country which is border of India and border of Pakistan. This one is the correct one. This is implication, this is wrong. So remember the trick, using this trick so many times it will be easy to find out the correct answer. Okay, so this is the correct answer. To learn more, you can join our paid course. The paid course is available for you and it is very less price, not at all very big price. If you are clicking on this paid course, if you click on buy now 2-month option, 3-month and 1-month option is available. If you click on 2-month, if you apply the coupon SUPER20, you are getting 20% off. With 2,419, you are getting live classes Monday to Friday, 5 am 6:30 am, 5 pm 6:30 pm. 2 classes, morning conceptual classes and evening practice with poll. You are getting leaderboard every day. Without that, you are getting test series, subject wise test series, full length test series, paper 1 plus paper 2 combined test series. You are getting PDF. You are getting group study in the WhatsApp group. You will get a WhatsApp group link there. You all together can study. So unlimited things are there in this course because this is a 6-month course. January I have started this course. All the subject wise complete course is available. Whatever I have taken previously, all the recording is available, PDFs available, test series available. Now also whatever I am taking, those live classes are available. If you miss the live class, recording will be available to you. So this will be ultimate beneficial course for you. Definitely you can join. 2419 is not a very big deal. You can go for 1 month also. If you think that I want to go for 1 month, you can go for 1 month. After that again you can renew 1 month. The course will be end in the month of June as per the exam date of UGC NET. So whenever exam date will be, we will end the course. So it will be too much beneficial. Okay. Offer applicable for 1 month. I think yes or no, need to check. Yes, offer is applicable for 1 month also. In 1 month you are getting 1219. You can take 1 month now. After that, if you feel you want to renew also, again 1 month. You can go for 1 month also. Okay. Bye. See you again tomorrow. And you can download this PDF from the free course. Under this free course, free content, free PDF for YouTube classes. Here I am uploading all the classes. Yesterday's set and relation I have uploaded here. Today's class also I will upload here. Other than that, free test series also there. You can attempt this free mock test. So many mock tests waiting for you. All the PYQs is available. Subject wise PYQs, full length PYQs, all are available for you. And even also free mock test for paper 1, paper 2 is also available under this. So many things free of cost available in this app Unify Study. Install app and do it. Just you have to check and you have to invest your time. Thank you. Bye. See you again.